In 1925, a man sold the Eiffel Tower. Twice. Victor Lustig was a con artist from Austria with a gift so sharp it bordered on supernatural. He could read a room, find the greed hiding behind a person's eyes, and turn it into cash. His greatest scheme started with a forged government letterhead and 6 desperate scrap metal dealers. Lustig posed as a French official and told them the Eiffel Tower was being sold for parts. One man bought it completely, paid a small fortune in cash. By the time he realized the truth, Lustig was already gone, so Lustig came back and sold it again to his second buyer. He once borrowed $50,000 from Al Capone, returned every cent, and walked away with a tip because Capone was so impressed by his honesty. But one woman brought him down. A jilted girlfriend tipped off the FBI in 1935. The man who sold Paris twice was finally caught by something no forged document could stop: a broken heart.